Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change the now playing status on Discord. First open your web browser, then go to your Discord profile. Next, click on the gear icon located next to your username. This will open the settings menu. Scroll down in the left sidebar until you find Activity Settings option and select it. Once you are in the Activity Settings menu, make sure the first option, Display Current Activity as a Status Message, is toggled on. If it's not, please toggle it on. If you are not currently playing a game, it will show no game detected. To change this, click on Edit option. A new menu will appear where you can select a game or application from the drop-down menu. For example, you can choose the Microsoft Store as a generic option. Select the desired game or application and click on Add Game option. Now, if you go back to the settings, it will show that you are playing the selected game or application. Now, let's continue to customize the message. Hover over the name of the game or application. Click on it to delete the existing name and type anything you want. For example, you can type subscribe now and even add an emoji to make it more appealing. After customizing the message, close the settings. You will now see your custom now played message on Discord. That's how you set a custom now played message on Discord. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.